In today's video, I am going to teach you how to pause and resume sequences in Hubspot. When you are running sequences, there are times when you need to temporarily stop outreach for a group of contacts, or start it again after a pause. Pausing is useful if a campaign needs a quick review, if a contact replies and you want to stop scheduled emails while you update their record, or if you simply need to prevent messages from going out during a busy period. Resuming brings those contacts back into motion, so the sequence can continue from where it left off. To begin, sign into your Hubspot account and look at the main navigation. Go to Automations and then select Sequences. This takes you to the area where Hubspot organizes both the sequence templates and the contacts currently enrolled. Once you are in Sequences, click the Manage tab. The Manage view is where you can see active enrollments and take action on multiple contacts at the same time. Take a moment to confirm you are looking at the right set of enrollments before you make changes, especially if your team uses several sequences. Next, select the checkboxes for the contacts you want to update. You can choose a single person or a larger group depending on what you need. Be deliberate here, because the action you take will apply to every contact you select. If you are not fully sure, it is safer to start with a smaller selection and repeat the process. After you have made your selections, go to the top of the page and click Pause or Resume. Choose Pause if you want to stop upcoming sequence steps for those contacts. Choose Resume if you are ready for the sequence to continue sending and completing scheduled steps again. Hubspot will then show you a final prompt to review the action. Finally, click Confirm. This locks in the change and applies it to your selected contacts. Give it a moment and you should see the updated status reflected in the Manage list. If you do not see it right away, refresh the page to confirm the update. That covers everything you need to know.